Monkey Business, written by Dr. Kaumudi Patil, published in the year 2006. Kaumudi, what is this? You are again late for the office. Sir, what can I do? It is those wretched monkeys. I could not get out of the house. Where do you live? In Bharat Nagar, sir. Oh, I see. The area of monkey habitat. In other circumstances, had somebody said this to me, I would have felt very offended. But in today's situation, the statement is perfectly right. We live in an area where monkeys reside and impact the lifestyle of every resident of the locality. Most of the houses have their balconies closed with iron bars to prevent entry of our ancestors. While we are busy having our tea in the morning, the entire tribe is scattered all over the area, ravaging the plants and saplings. While the monkeys are busy loitering around, the human beings look helplessly out of their caged balconies. Sometimes you get a feeling as if one of the monkeys will come and offer you a banana through the iron bars. Newcomers to our colony, finding the freeness with which the monkeys move around the garden, ask us, are these your pets? Pets? These pets? Ask any Bharat Nagarian and he will be shocked to the core at the mere idea of keeping a monkey as pet. The other pets, for example, dogs, are no help in the monkey business. I never knew such chumminess existed in the animal world. The monkeys come and pat the dogs, and they too wag their tails in delight, though much to the terror of their keepers. The monkeys are not satisfied with vegetation and are always on the lookout for the spicy tidbits. Anything is welcome for their tummy. Dough made for chapatis, idlis, rotis, and vadas. Keep anything near a window. In comes an agile hand, and before you know what is happening, the eatables have reached the monkey's tummy. The younger generation of the tribe is very expert in this area. Because of their size, they are able to squeeze through the narrow spaces, but once inside, they are unable to find the way out, and the havoc after that is horrifying. Hearing the frantic appeal of the youngsters, the whole tribe clusters around. No one is able to get in or go out till the baby finds its way out. We find ourselves in this situation very often. The descendants of the human sometimes bestow certain favors on us. Come summer time and the mango trees are full of sweet and delicious fruits. The monkeys jump from one branch to another, eating merrily all the nicest and juiciest mangoes. In the process, one or two mangoes fall down, which are very graciously left for the owners. Same is the story with other fruits. Earlier, the monkeys didn't eat oranges because while peeling the same, the juice would go in their eyes and the irritation caused thereby was unbearable for them. However, this did not last long. Once a monkey peeled the orange by taking his hands back and found that the outcome was very fruitful. Now, all the monkeys take their hands back, peel the oranges, and eat them with great pleasure. Usually, the monkeys are not aggressive. Yes, they are mischievous but not aggressive. But sometimes some kid or the other does something to annoy them, and then for a few days getting out of house is hell. When the monkeys are around, anything in your hand will be snatched away. Once or twice, someone who resists the act is unfortunate of being slapped by the monkeys. We have to pay difficult area allowance to our maids, which is in addition to their regular wages. People ask us, why don't you use firecrackers, air guns, or some sort of loud noise? Well, friends, we have tried all that, and the monkeys have also got accustomed to it. Someone suggested using mild electric current for dissuading the monkeys from coming. Oh no, we are not so heartless. Cherubic little babies with their charming expression, the dancing monkeys, patting and taking out lice from each other's hair. The scene is so refreshing that we will not dream of hurting these innocent children of nature. Once there was a writ filed in the High Court, and on the directions of the High Court, the civic authorities tried to catch the monkeys. The cages that were set in for catching the monkeys are still lying around. After one or two monkeys were caught in the cage, the clever ones didn't even go near it, and the tribe still lives happily ever after in our area. Thank you for listening.